Hello, and welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird of the day is the lesser goldfinch. Found in the Western Americas, with a range from Washington all the way down to Peru. It's a bit harder to find these guys this time of year, but I saw one yesterday. This should be easy. I met up with some friends and we set out for Fountain Creek Nature Center. We started our walk with a flock of red-winged blackbirds. We continued on, seeing mallards, widgeon, a downy woodpecker, a cold-looking great blue heron, crows, a wild turkey, and a bald eagle. After becoming slightly more patriotic, we moved our search to the ponds, seeing gadwall, hooded merganser, green-winged teal, and hiding in the far corner was our bonus bird, the American coot. Despite the coot's duck-like appearance, it's much more closely related to sandhill cranes. Still without our goldfinch, we made our way back, hoping to spot it on the way home. We saw great blue heron after great blue heron, and a fan favorite announced its arrival. The belted kingfisher. It was a great day for birds, but the lesser goldfinch remains unfound.